name is Subhanallah. I'm STEAM in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Today my topic is H and T parameters. And H parameter has equation V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, where all the H11 is equals to V1 by I1, H12 is equals to V1 by V2, H21 is equals to I2 by I1, H22 is equals to I2 by V2. The condition of reciprocity, H12 is equals to minus H21 on symmetry, H11 into H22 minus H12 into H21 is equals to 1. And so on T parameters, we have the equation V1 is equals to A V2 minus B I2, I1 is equals to C V2 minus D I2. Condition of reciprocity, A is equals to D, symmetric AD minus BC is equals to 1 equal to 1, where all A is equals to V1 by V2, B is equals to minus V1 by I2, C is equals to I1 by V2, and so on. D is equals to I1 by I2. And problem, determine the H and T parameters for the given network. We have the loop circuit diagram. These are the open circuit. There are the two loops I1 and I2. First loop V1 is equals to 3I1 plus 2I1 plus I2. V1 is equals to 3I1 plus 2I1 plus 2I2, and so on. 3 and 2 5. V1 is equals to 5I1 plus 2I2. Loop 2 is equals to V2 is equals to I2 plus 2I2 into I1. V2 is equals to I2 plus 2I2 plus 2I1. V2 is equals to 3I2 plus 2I2. H parameter, V1 is equals to H11 I1. The equation H21 by V2. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. On case 1, subject of V2 equals to 0. First loop and second loop. And first loop will not have the V2. And second loop is the V2 is equals to 0. 3I2 plus 2I1. 2I1 plus is equals to minus 3I2. I2 by I1 is equals to minus 2 by 3. It has a H21. V1 is equals to 5 I1 plus 2I2. V1 is equals to 5 I1. 2 is equals to plus 2 into minus 2 by 3 I1. V1 is equals to minus 15 minus 4 by 3 I1. V1 by I1 is equals to 11 by 3. It has a H11. Case 2, submit the I1 equation. And second loop, V2 is equals to 3I2. I2 by V2 is equals to 1 by root 3. This has a H22. And first loop V1 is equals to 2I2. V1 is equals to 2 into 1 by 3 V2. V1 is equals to 2 by 3 V2. V1 by V2 2 by 3. This has a H12. The equation, the condition of reciprocity, minus 1 2 is equals to 1 2 1 minus 2 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 by 3. It has the equal and symmetrical one. H11 H21 H12 minus H21 H22 is equals to 1. They are the multiply for the equation. They are not equal to minus 2.6 is equals to S. We have not equation equal and symmetric. And T parameter, we have the equation V1 is equals to A V2 minus B I2. I1 is equals to C V2 minus D I2. On case 1, I2 is equals to 0. And submitting the loop equation first and second, I2 is equals to 0. V1 is equals to 5 I1 plus 2 I2. V1 is equals to 5 V2 by 2. V1 by V2 is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to A. Loop 2 is V2 is equals to 2 I2 plus 3 I2. V2 is equals to 2 I1 I1 by V2 is equals to 1 by 2. It has a C. And on case 2, V2 is equals to 0, V1 is equals to 5I1 plus 2I2, V1 is equals to, it has the second loop, V2 is equals to 2I1 plus 3I2, V2 is equals to 0, 2I1 plus 3I2, 2I1 is equals to minus 3I2, I1 by I2 is equals to minus 3 by 2 is equals to D. The equations of the loop 1, V1 is equals to 5I1 plus 2I2, V1 is equals to 5 minus 3 by 2, I2 is plus 2I2, V1 is equals to 3 into 3, 15, 5 into 3, 15 plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 11 by 2, V1 by I2 is equals to minus 11 by 2. That's the B. Conditions of reciprocity, A is equals to B, 5 by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. This has a not equal and symmetry. AD minus BC, 5 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus 11 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 is equals to 1. This has a